Hey, today's Pharmacy Technology Resource Podcast is brought to you by Telemanager Technologies. Give Telemanager Technologies a call and ask about their interactive voice response system and how it can integrate with your pharmacy system and your pharmacy business overall. Ask for Paul Kobyleski, and his last name is Kobyleveski. That's Paul Kobyleski, and his number is 973-792-9191. That's 973-792-9191, and they can be found at telemanager.com. Once again, that's telemanager.com. Telemanager Technologies, leader in the field of computer technology and internet services to all segments of the pharmacy industry. Since its inception in 1997, the company has developed and sold its patented interactive voice response system to more than 600 chain drugstores, independent pharmacies, supermarket chains, hospital pharmacies, and mail-order pharmacies nationwide and in Canada. So give Paul a call. Tell him Todd Urey with the PTR saying. Your customer service article in Business Week, how Amazon aims to keep you clicking. There's a section that says that for the most part, Amazon has earned a reputation for strong service by letting customers get what they want without ever talking to an employee. Sales clerks are non-existent. Orders ship with a few mouse clicks. Packages arrive on doorsteps quickly. It all happens with monotonous regularity, even as the number of customers has doubled in the past 5 years to 88 million customers. But when things go wrong at Amazon, and they occasionally do, the company's employees get involved. That may be where Amazon stands out most markedly from other companies, and helps explain how the company earned the #1 spot on Business Week's customer service ranking this year. So when things go wrong for your customers, what are you doing to ensure that they're satisfied? And what can you do that would mean very little to your bottom line, but would mean very much to those customers returning to your store for not only their prescription needs, but other things that you'd like to tie them into. I met a pharmacy owner who has invested in a full-time vitamin manager, vitamin liaison that does nothing but counsels every patient that comes in for prescription on a particular vitamin therapy that may complement or just further assist the customer with their overall health. As you recall from the blog dated February 23rd, 2009, making more attempts to connect with your customers, we were reviewing the CVS techniques and engine, and how Mr. Tom Henry has taken that company to newer heights, and how you can do some non-technical things to keep in touch with customers, such as postcards that go out to every one of your customers that starts some type of repetitive or refill involved prescription regimen, and how those postcards can go out to any customer to remind them of their finishing and continuing their drug therapy. As an independent pharmacy, you have the ability to do just about anything. An idea was to start a rating system of every experience your customers have after receiving or picking up or having their prescription delivered through a comment card, or even making it electronic through your website. But either or, you need to make that an availability to your customers to rate you, so you can constantly refine and find out some of the time what the customers are thinking, because sometimes your customers won't even tell you that they're not satisfied, they just won't return. So with every prescription, place a comment card and or a phone call asking them to call in, or reaching out to them via the internet through your website by having them put in their prescription number and rate their experience, and of course any suggestions that can be made. If there's a spot that they can make those suggestions as well. That concludes our programming for March 2nd, 2009. Pharmacy Technology Resource iPod, and pretty excited about the opportunity to talk with all of you in person. If you would reach out to us, that would be absolutely wonderful. You can call our toll-free line, which is 866-582-8721. That's 866-582-8721. And I can be found on the internet as well, through our blog and through our website, which is pharmacytechnology.net. Once again, that's pharmacytechnology.net. And I'm Todd Eury, and we'll be talking with you again soon.